Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fascinating little drone that packs some surprising features for its size. This drone comes equipped with a 1080p wide-angle camera. That means it's designed to capture wide, high-definition pictures and video. What's really neat is the built-in Wi-Fi function. You can connect it to an app on your phone, and that allows for real-time transmission of the camera feed directly to your screen. You can see what the drone sees as it's flying and use the app to take photos or record video directly through your phone. For those new to flying drones or just wanting a simpler experience, it offers headless mode. This means you don't have to worry about which way the front of the drone is facing. It will move relative to the controller. It also has altitude hold mode, which helps keep the drone stable at set height, making it easier to control and get steady shots. Another interesting feature is trajectory flight. You can actually draw a flight path on the app screen, and the drone is designed to follow that designated route autonomously, which is pretty cool for getting specific shots or just having fun. Controlling the drone is done via a 2.4 GHz remote, which is standard for helping avoid interference during flight. It's a 4-channel drone, giving you full control over basic movements: ascending, descending, moving forward and backward, and flying sideways left and right. Plus, it can even perform a 360-degree roll for some fun aerial acrobatics. The drone also has 3 different flight speeds you can switch between, which is great for adapting to different flying conditions or skill levels, adding more enjoyment to the flight experience. Looking at the drone itself, the fuselage is described as being made from high-strength engineering plastics, suggesting it's built to be lightweight yet resistant to minor bumps. A major plus for portability is its foldable arms. When folded, it becomes quite small and easy to carry around, making it convenient to take with you wherever you want to fly and capture some aerial footage. Beyond the core flight and camera functions, it lists features like the ability to add music, likely within the app for videos you record, and the stable flight provided by the altitude hold. It covers the basic movements you'd expect from a 4-channel drone, while adding some smart features like trajectory flight and real-time camera feed. Considering its small size, portability, and features like a 1080p camera, altitude hold, and trajectory flight, this drone seems designed to offer a lot of functionality in a compact and accessible package. It appears to be aimed at providing a fun and relatively easy flying experience, especially with the added benefit of capturing aerial footage. It comes with the necessary cables and battery to get started.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.